Hello everyone, my name is Maharlika Diarse. We're going to be performing dressing change using sterile technique. Before we get started, I have my badge, my Nightingale scrub top, scrub bottom, my hair is pulled back. We have gloves, sterile kit, the wound and the bandage, and my biohazard trash bag. This is the sterile area. This is where the wound will be in the patient. And we will start now. I'm gonna knock on the door, pull the privacy curtain, wash my hands. Hello, Mr. Steen. My name is Maharlika. I'm gonna be your nurse today. Can you please verify your name and date of birth? All right, awesome. So today we're going to be changing your dressing. Are you okay with that? Okay, before we get started, I just wanted to let you know, could you please not touch your wound, and if you feel any uncomfortable, if you are uncomfortable, please let us know, okay? All right, so I will get my gloves, put my gloves on. All right, Mr. Steen, you can please sit up. All right. So now I'm going to be taking off your bandage on your wound. Alrighty. So now we will be taking off the bandage. We're going to be pulling towards the wound, parallel to the wound. I'm going to be holding it down, parallel to the wound, parallel to the wound. It's a little sticky, parallel to the wound, parallel to the wound. Instead of pulling and parallel to the wound. Once the bandage is off, we will dispose of it into the biohazard trash bag. Now we will inspect the wound to make sure there is no tenderness, any foul smell, any colors, any edema. Everything looks good. So now we will take off our gloves, dispose of it into the biohazard trash bag. So now I'm going to wash my hands. So to maintain sterility, I'm going to take off my badge to make sure that it's not dangling over my patient. I'm going to wash my hands again. Now I'm going to open up my sterile kit. I'm going to take out the sterile gloves, unravel it. Now using 2 fingers, get under the flaps. Get under the flaps. Open the sterile gloves. Get 2 fingers. Put glove on. Now get 4 fingers. Put the other glove on. Make sure it is on. Alright. So this is my wound hand and this is my sterile hand. So now we're going to get the cleaning applicator. Drop it into my wound hand. Now we will clean the wound inside and out. I would normally throw this out, but since I only have one in the kit, so I'm gonna let's just pretend that this is another new one. Get a new one, put one in my wound hand. Now we're gonna clean the wound again, inside and out. Now we will dispose of this into the biohazard trash bag. So now we will get a gauze, put it into my wound hand. So now we will pat dry the wound inside and out. Throw the gauze into the biohazard trash bag. Get another gauze, put it into my wound hand. Pat dry the wound and inside and out, and throw that into the biohazard trash bag. So now we will get our film, our clear film, and we will apply it onto the wound. We will peel this back. apply it on like so. Now we will take off the white flaps. And we will make sure everything is on there nice and neat, and we will sign and date on the end of the dressing change. And now we will throw away all of our supplies. Put this into the biohazard trash bag. Like this, put it into the biohazard trash bag. And also the sterile biohazard trash bag. Now we will take off our sterile gloves, like so. Put it into a biohazard trash bag. So I'm gonna wash my hands. Mr. Steen, would you like to stay sitting up, or did you want to lay down? Lay down. Make sure that the patient is comfortable. Your call line is right here. If you need us, let us know. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna document my findings, and that's it. Thank you so much.